Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a abstract wallpaper video, which I'll put up right now. So this is a really simple tutorial, as most of my tutorials. So to start off, you guys want to make a new document. I'll just call it wallpaper. I made mine 1920 by 1080 because that's like you choose whatever your monitor's resolution is. So what you're gonna do next is either leave it as white or add a color to it. So for mine, I'll probably be doing like I'll do a background. I'll do a gradient. You can either do like white and black, or do whatever you guys want. It doesn't matter. You can change the opacity to like 20-25%. Right there. So next up, you have to bring in a document. I have mine on my desktop right here. You can put it into Photoshop and then leave it there. Get a clear one. 1920 by 1080 wallpapers. You can use this or whatever you want. Just wait for it to load and then drag it to your desktop. So it fits perfectly. So next up, you want to hide that. So you select your background layer, new layer, and go to the polygon tool, and on the sides choose 3 sides. So you have to make like a shapes, whatever shape you guys want. I'll make mine triangles. You can make it look like anything you want. I'll just duplicate that and then put that same thing around here. Select them all and select merge shapes, triangles, and Control T or Command T if you're on Mac. Use it to move, and then make sure you have the picture that you're using on top of your thing, on top of your triangles, and then right click and press create clipping mask, and that'll just like put it inside the thing. You can either use this, that doesn't like show enough. What's this? I mean, like, it's not that bad. I'll just use this for tutorial, and I'll just change the gradient to a bit like 30. No. Just change the gradient to the sides so that when on your desktop it doesn't like cover the logos. So once you've done that, let me just empty this. So once you've done that, go to export, quick export as PNG, and go to your desktop, save, that'll put it onto your desktop right here. So if you right click this, set as desktop background, that'll set it on your background. So that's how you create a abstract background. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.